Sometimes it doesn't take 7 years to change your life. It takes 7 seconds. One decision. One moment where you finally say, I'm done living the way I've been living. And that one decision, it can flip your entire story upside down. Today, I'm going to tell you exactly what that decision is. And once you hear it, you'll never be the same again. Let me be brutally honest with you. Most people are not failing because they're weak. They're failing because they never decide. They keep waiting for the perfect day, the perfect plan, the perfect motivation. Guess what? That day never comes. But you don't find the perfect moment. Why one decision changes everything. Every successful person you admire today, they didn't start with talent. They didn't start with money. They didn't start with confidence. They started with one decision. A decision to stop making excuses. A decision to stop wasting time. A decision to outgrow their comfort zone. A decision to stop lying to themselves. A decision to take control of their life. That's it. You're not separated from success by years and years of grinding. You're separated by one moment of clarity where you say, I'm doing this no matter what. And the crazy thing, the moment you take that decision, life starts opening doors you never even noticed before. People call it luck, but it's not luck. It's alignment. The real problem isn't failure, it's indecision. Truth, most people don't lose because they tried and failed. They lose because they never try at all. Indecision is like quicksand. It doesn't kill you suddenly. It pulls you in slowly, silently, every single day. You keep waiting. You doubt yourself. You tell yourself, maybe next week. And before you know it, years pass, dreams die, and nothing changes. Even a bad decision teaches you something, but no decision. Bet keeps you stuck in the same place. Same mindset, same life. If you don't choose your direction, life will choose it for you. This is a story that explains everything in 2 minutes. Debt was a guy. Ordinary job, ordinary routine, ordinary dreams. Every night he would think, man, I want to change. I want more from life. But every morning, the same excuses, the same doubts, the same habits. One day something hit him. Buck. He looked at himself and said, I'm not tired of life. I'm tired of my own excuses. And that day, he made one decision. I'm going to be consistent, not perfect, just consistent. 5 minutes a day, 10 minutes a day, small steps, tiny improvements. People didn't notice in the beginning, but little by little, his life shifted. His energy changed. His confidence grew. 1 year later, everyone was asking him, bro, how did you transform your whole life? He didn't transform his life. He transformed himself. The life automatically changed after that. The decision you need today. So here's the real question. What's the decision you need to make today? Because, trust me, your future is waiting for you. But it won't wait forever. Maybe your decision is, I'm done making excuses. I'm done pretending I have time. I'm done living the same year again and again. I'm choosing discipline over comfort. I'm choosing courage over fear. I'm choosing my future over my habit. It doesn't matter which decision it is. What matters is that you make it today, because one decision removes the noise. One decision builds clarity. One decision changes your direction. And one decision changes your life. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. People wait for motivation. They wait for signs. They wait for someone to push them. But let me tell you something real. Motivation is not coming. Nobody is coming to save you. And the sign you're waiting for. This video is that sign. Your life doesn't change when things get easier. It changes when you get stronger. You don't need a perfect plan. You just need a decision powerful enough to break the old version of you and awaken the version you were meant to become. You are one decision away from a better body, a better career, a better mindset, a better life, a better you. The road ahead isn't easy, but it's yours. And the only person who decides where it goes is you. Today is the day, not someday, not eventually. Today, one decision. If this message reached you at the right time, if it hit you somewhere deep, if it felt like the universe talking directly to you, then it means one thing. Hit that subscribe button and let's build the new version of you together.